Welcome to Sorrento and the Destination Perfect channel. Today I'll show you why this cliffside town overlooking the Bay of Naples is pure magic. Sorrento is a feast for the senses. Lemons in the air, sea views, and beauty around every corner. Today I'll take you through my top 20 must-visit spots in this Italian paradise. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's explore Sorrento together. First stop, Piazza Tasso, the vibrant heart of Sorrento. This lively square is surrounded by colorful buildings and bustling cafes, alive with the sounds of Italian life. Whether it's morning coffee or evening lights, the energy here is infectious. It's the perfect place to start your Sorrento story and soak in the city's atmosphere. Sit back, sip an espresso, and watch the world go by. Piazza Tasso is Sorrento's warm welcome. Next, let's wander to Marina Grande, a real working fishing village. Colorful boats, nets, and family-run trattorias line the waterfront. Here, you'll savor the freshest seafood right by the water, with the scent of lemon and garlic in the air. It's rustic, authentic, and delicious. Italy at its best. Eating here is more than a meal. It's an experience. On the other side of town is Marina Piccola, Sorrento's main port. Ferries connect you to Naples, Capri, and the Amalfi Coast. Adventure starts here. Walk along the harbor, gaze up at Sorrento's cliffs, and take in the dramatic views. It's the perfect spot to plan a boat tour, or just watch the boats come and go. Marina Piccola is your gateway to the blue. The views from here are unforgettable. Need a break from the buzz? Step inside Sorrento Cathedral. The city's noise melts away, replaced by stunning architecture and quiet reverence. Marvel at the intricate ceiling and marble work, a true gallery of faith and history. You don't have to be religious to appreciate the beauty and calm. It's a peaceful pause in your Sorrento journey. For the best view in Sorrento, head to Villa Comunale Park. Perched on the cliff's edge, the panorama of the Bay of Naples and Mount Vesuvius is breathtaking. Relax on a bench, enjoy the gardens, and maybe listen to a street musician. Sunset here is pure magic. The sky explodes with color over the sea. Bring a gelato and soak it all in. This is a moment you'll never forget. Villa Comunale is Sorrento's postcard come to life. Right next to the park, discover the cloister of San Francesco. Step through the archway into a serene courtyard filled with greenery and centuries-old arches. It's a favorite for weddings and summer concerts, romantic and peaceful. The mix of history and tranquility makes it a true hidden gem. Take a moment to breathe in the calm. Art lovers, don't miss the Correale di Terranova Museum. Housed in a noble villa, it's filled with Neapolitan paintings, porcelain and antiques. Wander grand rooms and step into another era. The collection tells the story of Sorrento's rich heritage. It's a cultured way to spend an afternoon. Ready for adventure? Visit Bagni della Regina Giovanna. Hike down to a secluded natural pool, once the private spot of a queen. Swim in emerald water, explore Roman ruins, and sunbathe on the rocks. It's a secret paradise. Just wear good shoes for the walk. The mix of nature and history is unforgettable. This is Sorrento's wild side. Stroll by Sedile Dominova, an open-air loggia once used by Sorrento's nobles. Admire the faded frescoes and coats of arms. History right in the heart of town. Today, locals gather here to play cards and chat. It's a living piece of Sorrento's past. Don't miss this unique slice of civic history. Time for shopping on Via San Cesareo. This bustling street is packed with shops selling leather, ceramics, and all things lemon. Sample local cheese, limoncello, and pastries as you wander. It's the perfect place for souvenirs and a taste of Sorrento's spirit. Window shopping here is a must. Visit the Basilica of Sant'Antonino, Sorrento's patron saint. The crypt holds his tomb and silver offerings from grateful sailors. Legends and faith fill the air. Look for the whale bones at the entrance. It's a moving place, rich with local devotion. Experience the heart of Sorrento's spiritual life. Sorrento lemons are legendary. Visit a local lemon grove to see why. Walk under pergolas heavy with fruit, breathe in the citrus scent, and learn about limoncello. Taste lemon marmalade, candy, and olive oil right at the source. These family-run groves connect you to Sorrento's traditions. It's a delicious, fragrant experience. Don't leave without sampling the real limoncello. Discover Sorrento's unique craft, tarsia lignea, or inlaid wood. The Museo Bottega della Tarsia Lignea showcases stunning woodwork, from furniture to intricate panels. See how artists turn tiny pieces of wood into masterpieces. The museum traces the craft's history and artistry. It's a beautiful glimpse into Sorrento's creative soul. Love nature? Hike to Punta Campanella at the peninsula's tip. The trail winds through olive groves with epic coastal views and ends at an ancient watchtower. Capri feels close enough to touch, explore ruins, and breathe in the fresh sea air. It's a journey through nature and myth. This hike shows a wilder side of Sorrento. Right in town, discover Vallone dei Mulini, the Valley of the Mills. Peer into a lush ravine where old mills are swallowed by greenery. It's a haunting, beautiful sight. Nature reclaiming history. You can't go down, but the view from above is mesmerizing. Sorrento's hidden wildness, right in the center, Ainsay. For a relaxed beach day, head to Marina di Puolo. This local favorite has calm water, simple charm, and fantastic seafood right on the sand. Swim, eat, and unwind away from the crowds. It's a slice of real Sorrento life. Perfect for a laid-back afternoon. Take a side trip to Capri's Punta Carina Lighthouse for sunset. Sunbathe on the rocks, dive into deep blue water, and watch the sky turn fiery as the sun sets. The lighthouse beam sweeps across the sea, pure magic. Grab a drink and soak in the romance. It's an unforgettable Capri experience, just a ferry ride away. In nearby Piano di Sorrento, visit the Basilica di San Michele Arcangelo. The real treasure? Its floor, a stunning Majolica tile masterpiece depicting the Garden of Eden. View it from the gallery above and marvel at the detail. This hidden gem is a work of art many miss. Don't skip it if you love unique finds. Sorrento's cliffside lift is both practical and scenic. Skip the stairs. Ride the glass elevator from Villa Comunale down to Marina Piccola. Enjoy sweeping views as you travel. It's a clever, modern way to enjoy ancient beauty. Sometimes shortcuts are the best part. Want to dive into Sorrento's food culture? Take a local cooking class. Learn to make regional dishes with fresh ingredients in a real Italian kitchen. Laugh, cook, and then feast on your creations, wine included. It's more than a class, it's a celebration. You'll leave with new skills and great memories. And that's our whirlwind tour of Sorrento's top 20 spots. From lively piazzas to hidden gems, Sorrento is a place to savor life. I hope you felt the magic and are inspired to plan your own adventure. The real joy is wandering, discovering, and making memories. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. There's a whole world out there waiting for us. Until next time, be happy, be kind, and eat well. Ciao!